Hello, in this video we are going to see how to connect any other laptop from your laptop. Initially, your laptop must have to install TeamViewer. I'll put the download link of TeamViewer in description below. After downloading, let's begin the installation process. With the completion of installation process, it pops up this interface. Here in the input field of partner ID, you have to put ID of your partner. Then click connect. This shows that version is not same. That means my partner used newer version of TeamViewer. To connect with your partner, the version of software must be same. So update your software if it displays these kinds of information. Now our software updated successfully. As we put partner ID previously, again try to connect. Now it asks for password. Put the password of your partner. If it finds correct password, it definitely connect with your partner laptop. Look, we are success to connect other laptop. Now I got access to do anything in other laptop. With this you can connect your laptop with your partner. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.